everybody? I am the Hooded Fiend. I'm here with a new type of content I'm trying to make, specifically for my YouTube channel. Y'all know I have a YouTube channel, and I hit my microphone. Anyway, I shall call this, at least for now, Chilling with a Fiend. As you can see here, that's hiding under the table here is my first guest, Remy.
I'm shy.
Remy the Slime Dragon.
Hello.
How's it going? How you been?
I'm doing great. You know what? Hold on. I don't want to be under the table anymore.
Fair.
Do you realize how much gum is under this table? It's delicious.
I gotta talk to somebody about that.
Pull the gum off the underside.
I already took care of it.
So with this type of format that I'm doing here, people, is that I'm just having a little one-on-one conversation with the other person that is my guest. So
Hi.
it is like I have been thinking about. I kind of said this on Twitter. I know I told you this, Remy, that I had a whole nother idea format, and it was really about the VTuber. How can you say community or just content in general, and how I fell down that rabbit hole. I was going to do a whole video about that.
Yeah, I remember this.
So basically, I just decided to change it up. Instead of talking about how I necessarily fell down the VTuber rabbit hole, why not talk to a VTuber, myself, one-to-one? And who else could I get but Remy the Slime Dragon here?
Yay!
Oh, God.
I'll be making that face a lot.
Yeah, I can see that happening. So essentially, I want to ask this, Remy. How did you fall down the VTuber rabbit hole?
Well, that depends. Do you want my lore answer or why I became a VTuber?
Good question. You know what? Let's go with the lore first, and then how you actually became, or why you became one. And I shall drink this.
Aw, that's not bleach.
Not yet.
Oh, trust me, you'll be drinking a lot of it after dealing with me.
Oh, God.
So lore-wise, I became a VTuber because my Demon General Kawaii, while serving as her personal footstool, I noticed she VTubes.
Right.
And her one friend, Asuka, also VTubes, and it's like, that's something I could do. So thus, I became a streamer. That's the lore quest. That's the lore-wise.
So from footstool to VTuber?
Oh no.
Or a streamer?
Oh no, like I'm actually supposed to be holding her feet up right now. Like no, the foot. I didn't graduate or anything. I didn't get a promotion. No, I'm still the footstool.
Oh Lord.
I just hope she's not looking for me right now because I might be in trouble if she finds out I'm here.
No, our location is discreet. No one knows unless they dox the window outside. But anyway.
Yeah, says the man in front of the big ass window. As for a real life, well, it all started with Project Melody.
All right. She was big at, I know by the time you became a VTuber, she really that became a would it be fair to say household name or just I'd say a very notable streamer at the time you became a VTuber?
Yeah, I mean, she, like I said, I found out about Project Melody. I thought it was fucking hilarious how she, instantly became, the top chatterbaiter. And, there was so much hate from, quote-unquote, real girls.
Yeah, I remember that.
And it was nothing but jealousy.
Right.
And I'm just thinking, dude, this is fucking awesome. And then I find out that, the person who made my model, Kawaii, her channel is Tamakai. Tama was a VTuber. And so I also found out I already knew she draws. I've known her for over 10 years. And And she
Understandable.
said, yes, she said she also rigs. So it's like when I found out that she as well was a VTuber, it's like I joined her Discord. This is before I became a VTuber.
Right.
I watched her channel, and I find out she has a friend, Asuka, who's also a VTuber, and I became friends with Asuka. And so those were my first IRL VTuber friends. It's Tama and Asuka. Asuka I haven't met in real life personally. Tama I have. Like I said, I've known her for a while, and well, I just kinda threw money at Tama to get what you see here today.
A slime dragon who may or may not be made out of Smuckers, but it's funny because I know when I fell down the rabbit hole, actually before I even thought of this idea, I had some work already done in Adobe Premiere, and the first clip that I had, it was going to be like I was thinking of doing a montage of the first VTuber clips I've seen, and one of the first ones I saw was Hosho Marine of Hololive, who is my favorite, and because Anime Pirate Girl. Some of y'all who, oh yeah, you definitely have it for Polka and.
Oh man, when you sent me that picture of
Pacos.
Yandere, yes. But man, when you sent me a picture of Yandere Polka, it's like, yes, love
God.
at first sight.
You and your affinity for violent anime girls.
I mean, what's wrong with violent anime girls?
I like living.
I also think angry is cute.
It depends on what level it is.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull up a YouTube video and send it to you. Whether or not you watch it now is up to you.
Okay, let's see it.
Hold on, I gotta search for it. So while I search for this video, would you like to explain more about you going down this hole?
Right. So essentially what happened with me is that I was at work one day and I was just doing YouTube surfing, just going to whatever. And then this recommended video popped up. I just saw this 3D model of an anime girl. She was on a beach, and at the time, I think this is when they rolled out where you can watch the kind of watch like a video or the preview of the video on your phone or mobile. Like they'll like scroll through it and whatnot. So I was like, what the hell was this? So I decided to click on it. And that's like, I know I'm seeing like this, like these girls on a beach setting, just doing goofy things like pretending to drown in the water. And if I'm not mistaken, that clip I was watching is when she became 3D. Now, just to inform the audience of, just in case they don't know, with Hololive that I have seen, or maybe a few other agencies and just in general, I guess it depends. But I've seen this a lot with Hololive, that it's basically a celebration when you get like 3D, because I believe they have to hit like a threshold of subscribers so they can get their 3D models like ready. Because at like Remy, because you just the 2D model is just to get that all set up and rigged right. That takes a lot of time, effort, and money.
Why do you think I only have this outfit? This thing of rags that's all stitched together. It's like I couldn't afford any other outfits. This is all I have.
I mean, it's like what? Because I think it was Lily that I saw recently that she described like how much it cost her to get her model. I think she said it was like in the 8,000 range. I was like, holy shit.
Oh man, no thank you. No thank you at all.
Yeah, like 8,000. I was just like, oh god.
God, I wish I had that kind of money. All right, I'm gonna go rob a bank. Hoods, I'll be right back. I just gotta go, go rob a bank real quick. Wait. No, I can't. I'm on parole.
Wait. The fuck did you do?
That's just what I call it. Working under General Tama. I'm on parole. Don't ask questions. Don't ask questions. Don't ask
Do y'all
questions.
believe that? Ah man, I wish I could. I know the microphone is like right here, but I can't. I can't get the freaking. Oh god.
Don't you move my microphone in the process.
I might change that.
Oh.
No, like that was what was going on at the time. She just got her 3D model, and she was I think she was one of the. I believe she was one of the. I think she was the first one of her generation to get her 3D model. Because at the time there was 5 of them. Now there's only 4. No! Godspeed Rushia. I mean, she's not dead. She's just Mike Neko. Because it's her, it's Marine, Rushia at the time, Noelle, Flare, and Picora. Who I feel like you would like too, Remy.
Send me a clip. I'll watch it later. Saying I like Bales. The rat.
Oh yeah, the rat.
Yes, I like the chaos. You've been to my streams. I'm all for the chaos.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I have seen a fuck ton of chaos.
Amy's the only one who doesn't take a break. Uh-oh. Meso!
Oh, nice. 69 biddies. That's good.
Speaking of chaos, can I lick this microphone?
You're cleaning it.
I don't feel like getting slime out of a microphone. I'll withhold.
I'm zooming that in when I get in the post editing process.
Oh, well, I mean, if you're just gonna zoom it in, all right, come here, Mike. Lick. Okay, I'm good.
Oh
I'm
lord.
good.
But yeah, like that's what let me in, and I was like, I'm curious about this. So the more, like, I forgot what video it was after that, but I think it was Coco.
Good morning, motherfuckers.
And it was Corone playing Doom. The first, the 2018, 16 Doom. I forget when when that Doom came out. And she
Remember.
She just got the BFG.
Sky die. Everybody.
But this they may go towards the VTuber thing, but I also used to watch a lot of MMDs before VTubers.
I think at the time with those, I was aware of it, but I started seeing more of it like after HoloLive got its blow up. Like most of literally the thing that got me down the rabbit hole was a lot of HoloLive, and that's why I'm such a big fan now of HoloLive, like in comparison to like the others that I know about, or like Niji Sanji members, or like independents that indies that I know of, or Pikami like from VOMs.
Right.
And the other girl, I can't. I feel bad. I can't remember her name off the top of my head. The fire one with the pigtails.
I don't remember the name, but I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, her. Yeah, her.
So, she's cute.
Yeah, I got exposed to her because of her clip. Because a clip of her peeking me that went viral when they was playing. Fucking really? No, like I see this right here. Like your wing is kind of like blocking it out, but if I scroll up,
Hold on. Yeah.
You see how HoloLive is cut off in the image?
Lolly. What the hell? That's hilarious. That's hilarious. I like that.
Oh wait, that's the phrase right there I was talking about. I was about to get to. So
I can't actually see that phrase.
It says, "Let's kill the whole beach."
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah,
I remember that.
Yeah, that's why I know her, because of that clip.
Let's kill the hole.
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 How?
Let's kill the hole.
Let's kill the hole.
Yeah.
あの、あの、
はい。
あの、
どういう意味なの？
あのやりまんぶっ殺そうぜみたいな。
I should have known it was this one.
Look, that one's fucking hilarious.
I mean, it is. Yep. Yeah, I do remember that. I do.
It's fucking great.
I think ironically, I saw this at the same time when Friday Night Funkin' was the big thing, and they had the he was like beatboxing against dad or father, or I forgot what he called him, but they replaced it with, it was like Friday Night Funkin' but with guns.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's the fact that it's the actual beat of the song, but they were just like,
It's real.
Is it? Oh, hold on.
I never played.
Yeah, it's a mod. It's a mod.
Okay, it's a mod. I was about to say, yeah, because I've never played.
I have it. Like, I have it on my computer. It's like, I'm not good at rhythm games, but it's actually quite fun. Back to the VTuber thing.
Oh yeah, we were on that discussion.
Right.
Amazing how we went from talking about VTubers to MMDs to AMVs.
And you know how many tangents people go on when they're just talking anyway? It wouldn't matter.
I mean, true.
I just remember when it came to me, like, really getting into, like, VTubers, it was around the time, like, Marines Gen and Coco just started showing up. Like, I think she just got debuted.
Right.
And that's when I really started, like, watching, like, a lot of this stuff. Because to me, like, that was, like, I wasn't really aware of VTubers. But I was, like, I guess I seen, like, little glimpses of, you probably know who it is, Kazuna Ai.
Let me see a picture. Oh, her? Yes, I've seen her.
Yeah,
I was aware of her.
Yeah, I've seen, like, I don't even know what to call, like, I just seen random posts of her, and I never knew who she was, because at the time, what's up?
At the time, I was just gonna say, I just thought she was like some sort of AI.
Yeah, like, that's what I thought too, but not, like, I always saw her, and I was just like, Kazuna Ai, or AI. I never knew if it was AI or I still kind of don't know.
AI?
Like, her name is Kazuna Ai, but it does say AI right here. So at the time, a pioneer in the VTuber field. Oh, she's one of the most successful. I mean, granted, with how long she's been around, apparently. 2016. Yeah.
No, like, I thought she was like just something fun that somebody made on the internet. Like,
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't
what I thought.
realize that was an act. Like I said, I like you, I was aware of
Over.
of her and like a few of the Hololive girls, but it's like I didn't know this was an actual thing until Project Melody hit the scene and became a huge like Project Melody. I think pretty much helped like maybe not create but start the VTuber uprising.
Oh, definitely.
I could be wrong, but I didn't notice a rise in them until Project Melody hit the scene.
I'm gonna bring that back up. Yeah. So this is the video that got me like, what am I watching? And then I was like, I am I am very intrigued and curious. Hololive cuts, and Hololive ETC cuts.
And this is her introduction video.
Like as her her 3D debut. Like she's been around. Hold up. I'm not too sure when. She's been around since 2019, August 11th, 2019. So she's about almost 3 years now. So, like, I saw this. I was just like, it's just like some, you know, like some girls just chilling and having some fun. So I was just like, okay, this is kind of wholesome.
Yeah. Wholesome, and then you find out what some of these girls are like.
Oh, especially Marine.
Like,
She has a reputation.
I thought Korone was cute and wholesome, and then I find out Korone's fucking violent.
She
Or
can be. She can be.
おい、この拳で顔面潰したのか？この骨が出っ張ってるところで顔面にメリメリってめり込ませたのか？ちょっと待って。待ちな。ちょっとね、黙らせないといけない。指示中待ってな、ちょっと。黙ってなさい、少し。
That's not her whole thing, but she can be. Yeah, Pecora right here. Oh, let me turn it up a little bit.
いやっていうかウィッグはあげたかったの船長にそう逆にいかがわしいのは何だと思う
Shiogane Noel.
そうちょっとあれ
Actually, I think I've shown you her too. But I'll get to that.
あのさ、
Okay.
ここになんかねなんか怪しい突起があってさほらやめろ次行けイチャイチャして何これエッチな感じこれエッチな感じいやらしさが溢れて
It's...
やばいやばい
Oh my god.
保冷剤残念ちょっと見て残念なんでこれ
Why is the answer slimy thing?
I don't know what you call that, to be honest. I'm like, it's just
It's slimy thing.
it's just a squishy thing. That's all I know. You said it was Project Melody that basically kind of got you in it, right?
Yes, yeah, pretty much. Like, I just thought it was hilarious, like the fact that Project Melody was getting so much hate from like jealous chatterbaiters
Right.
because she's an anime girl, and instantly made it to the top, and it's like, you guys are just hating. That's all this is.
And you know what? Like, I kind of had like a bullet point because I was writing a script. I was writing a script for my earlier work on this. Like, I kind of want to address like certain things with like when it comes to VTuber, not like it's controversial or red hot issue or whatever, but I've noticed like some people just go out of the way to just fucking hate on VTubers because, oh my god, how can you look at this, you know, this fucking cartoon cringe bullshit or whatever. And it's like, you know, it's like what everybody say. It's like, you know, not everything is made for you. If people like it and it's not harming anybody, you know, just
Don't show up.
Don't show up.
Simple.
Like when I make my songs, I know there's gonna be people out there that's not gonna like what I make, but I make my songs, or I make my music because I like making the music. I can I think what people get fucked up a lot on with the. Can you hear my microphone? I know what people get fucked up a lot on when it comes to like just internet in general. There's a fine line between criticism and just shitting on somebody, you know.
Yeah, no, I get that.
You know, it's just like people love to be hyperbolic. Like, yeah, let's say like with a movie, it's just like it may not meet a certain standard of theirs. Like, let's say, for example, like I think I brought this up with who was I talking to? I think I was talking to Demon about this actually. But with this very same example, I was just like, people go out of the way, like, because people say, well, with Final Fantasy VII, like that's one of the best, or if not the best Final Fantasy ever. And I like Final Fantasy 15. Now I know that game is flawed to shit, and it has so much room to improve, but it's such a guilty pleasure of mine that.
No, 15's good.
Like, people go out of their way and be like, no, this game is complete dog shit. And I'm just like, do you not remember Ride to Hell Retribution? Like, I've seen some dog shit games. Like, some complete dog shit games. To say that 15 is amongst that, it's like, no. Like, people, like, get a little too, foaming out the mouth for some things. I get it. Like, I get that you have criticisms, but once you start, like, it's like when you start to be, like, vicious about it, it's just like, what the fuck is wrong with you, man?
Right, yeah, I get that. Now, apparently there's a thing now where, like, non-VTubers are using the VTuber tag just to get people to click on them.
Yeah, I heard of that. Yeah. Now, it's funny. I know I've done that by accident, because, like, I'll be streaming with you, and I forget to change the tag. I'll be like, oh shit, I didn't change that. I didn't get rid of the tag.
Actually, I haven't had that issue, but I've had people ask me, like, or not ask me, but tell me, like, I've never seen a VTuber stream with a IRL person before.
Really?
Yeah. And it's like, is it really that uncommon?
It's funny because, you know that channel Trash Taste?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I see them do that with random VTubers, like, not all the time, but they just do it, like Iron Mouse, Kson, more Calliope, like, they do that, like, pretty frequently, actually.
Right.
But then again, if I was, like, to look at it from, like, the bigger picture, like, I guess, like, yeah, they're known for doing that. And it's not like, cause what? Like, cause Iron Mouse does it with, what's his name? Connor. Yeah, Connor Dog VA. That guy. I don't know how common that is. Like, it might just be uncommon. I really do get that stuck in my fucking tooth.
I know Project Melody appeared on a cooking stream once, and like she got
I've seen that.
That's when people found out that she pronounces it bagel.
I didn't know people even pronounced it like that.
The thins, like a thin bagel or a thin bread.
Wait.
These are.
I mean, I get made fun of for calling it Deegan. When they mean Degen.
Yeah, you mean me?
Yeah, that's one of them. It's fucking Deegan. Fight me.
That's like saying GIF is GIF.
Hoods. It's not me. But one of the VTubers we both know says GIF.
Why?
No.
Hold on. Graphics interchange format. Unless you pronounce graphics like graphics, I don't know where the fuck people get GIF from.
Yeah. I know somebody that says GIF.
No.
Out who? I won't rat out which one.
It's like VTube drama. Let's go, Remy. No.
No. I'm not starting any VTuber drama here.
No, I'm fucking with you. I fucking hate drama. I fucking hate drama. Like, I stay far away from it. I have no time for it. I'm a damn near 30-year-old man. I have no time for that shit. I do not, like, I think I've said this on stream before that I think I did, but no, yeah, I did. Yeah, I'm just like, look, I'm staying far away from from like petty high school level drama. Or any drama at all. It's just like, I'm staying the fuck out of it. Like, if it wasn't a fuck up of my own creation, I'm staying the fuck away from it. Cause it's like, I have nothing, like, nothing pisses me off more than like petty bullshit. Mm-hmm. Like, it's just like when, like, it's like when people want to act like catty little bitches towards like other people for no specific reason. It's like, grow the fuck up and go and just, you know, and fucking just handle your candle, man. Like handle whatever portion of life that's making you feel this way, so you can get out that funk. I don't mean no harm or whatever. I wish you the best, but please go fix that shit about yourself, man.
Yeah, I'm dealing with shit like that myself, but I'm not here to talk about that drama. I'm here to talk about VTuber.
Yeah.
And,
just the outlook of this, of everything about it.
Last night, actually, I was watching music videos like of the Hololive girls, and because like I'm sitting there thinking, you know, I only know them as VTubers. I don't know them as idols, so I'm gonna look up some of their songs. And I actually came across hers. And it's amazing. It's good.
Like, these girls are fucking talented, man.
Oh, they are. And then I'm thinking to myself, God damn it, Hudge, you got me into this.
I always get someone somehow. Look. Here's the thing about me. Like, I won't reference them unless I think like you will probably be into it. Cause I know Demon, like he says, like he's probably not gonna fall down a rabbit hole, but he does like Mori though. He said if he was going to watch anybody, he would more than likely watch Mori. Yeah, cause this right here.
Yeah, I watched this one just the other day. Well, I mean, literally last night. While I was running PvP in Final Fantasy. Bruh.
There's so many songs with these girls I just haven't heard yet. I'm just like, God damn, y'all pumping out songs every other time. There's so much to keep up with. But I do know, like, so far, like, one of my favorite songs as of lately is High Tide by Hoshinova Muna.
Right.
Like, I fucking love that song.
Oh my god. That voice.
I fucking love her voice. It's just like, right now I'm loving, who I call Penguin Mommy. Kayla.
Yeah,
Kayla.
Yeah, I remember Penguin Mommy. Fuck, who is it? Chloe. I just heard one of her songs the other day, and I'm just like, and I mean yesterday, last night.
She has a song now, don't she?
This is the one that I heard last night, and it's like, oh my god, can I marry her voice? Specifically her voice.
Actually, I've never heard her sing yet, so this is the first one, man.
I like her voice.
Oh yeah, cause now I remember. Cause when she first like somewhere around when she debuted, she did this thing with her voice. I'm just like, okay, you're just like you're one of the ones that has mad range with the voice. No, I wanted to get back to like things that's been just going on in the VTuber circle. I know now that you have like how many fucking followers on Twitch? Like 300.
I just hit 300 and they keep saying, so does this mean a karaoke stream? And it's like, I never promised this. You guys started that rumor.
Yeah, you are at 302 right now.
Oh my god. Maybe. I'll look, because they want it, I might do a karaoke stream. Or I could say fuck the people. No.
Meanwhile, I'm just sitting at 82.
Well, those are rookie numbers. We gotta pump those numbers up.
If I could get to 100, I'd be like, oh, okay.
Understandable, because I was that way. Like, I was surprised when I hit 50, and then the next day it's like, hold on, wait, the numbers are not stopping.
Yeah, I'm definitely surprised. I'm an affiliate right now.
I mean, I feel like I'm partially responsible for that.
Granted, you are.
But yeah, no, like I've had fun VTubing. Like I developed a nice friend circle. I've helped other VTubers out. I've connected a few people.
Yeah, you
I
got a
have my
network.
own rival.
What, QB?
QB, yes, the QB Sky. I will shamelessly plug her in.
QB the Sky.
Yeah, no, the QB Sky. Like me and her are rivals. Like it just kind of happened. We just fight each other. And I wrote her the other day. I was like, QB, what started this rivalry between us? And her response was, I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it's your fault.
She's probably right.
All right, listen here. But like, now me and QB, while we have this rivalry going on, we're good friends. We're good friends.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I'll message her, and like, I'll talk about my problems to her, and then other days I'll message her and be like, "Hey, QB," psst. And when she replies, I just send her a re. Just like a gif of a re, like re. She'll do it to me sometimes. It's a good time. Like, if anybody like does not have a rival in the VTubing community, go get one. Lot of fun. And me and her actually do want to collab more. It's just we don't want to do stick fight again.
Right.
We did that already, and it's like I feel like if we did stick fight again, people are gonna be like, "It's the rematch." So now I wanna play different games. I wanna play forced to work together, and then I just fuck it all up.
And I've been thinking about trying to pick up Earth Defense Force. If you know about that game.
No, I don't.
I'm surprised you don't, honestly. So it's basically this shooter basically protecting the Earth from big ass insects.
Oh god. Okay, are any of them spiders?
Possibly.
Because if there's any spiders, QB's gonna say no.
Bubble!
QB is not a fan of spiders, I'm telling you right now.
Look, I know we do the Minecraft thing. I know we haven't done it in a while though, but as I say, because things pop up and whatnot. I know that I want to let's do another game with you. I just haven't figured out just yet.
Well, we could do that game you literally just showed.
Earth Defense Force? Yeah, I mean, yeah, that was on the table. Like, I was other than
No,
Earth Defense.
the microphones are on the table.
What? Oh, God damn it. My life. You've been VTubing for how long now?
What month is this?
May, about to hit June, like in a couple days.
Just over 10 months, almost 11 months now.
Okay, so almost a year anniversary for you then.
Yeah, I'm gonna be having my year anniversary in, July. So July. My year anniversary is in July.
So it's like, alright. You gonna be doing anything? Like specifically? You still plotting on that? Planning on that? Not plotting?
I would like to attempt my very first 12-hour stream and have a subathon, where one of the goals is I will sing a song.
Oh boy.
I choose the song though.
I hope you can find like karaoke's like versions.
I have. And if I have like a certain set goal in mind, and I'm gonna have one more goal after that, and that's gonna be another karaoke song, and it's gonna be Frozen. I'm gonna sing Frozen if I get over my goal. I will sing Frozen.
You are gonna dread that.
I am so gonna dread this.
雪だるま作ろうドアを開けて一緒に遊ぼうどうして出てこないの
I thought about having chat decide my very first tattoo, but it's like, I don't know how I feel that. That's a lot of money.
I wouldn't know how to feel about that in general anyway.
I have I want to do marbles. I know that. and have a giveaway for it. I'm gonna have I'm gonna have the poster I have made. Like I already have the poster. The poster's in my room right now in the packaging. I'm gonna give out the poster to whoever wins marbles. I might give away games because I found a place where games are like always on sale. So I might buy some cheap games and give out free games because who doesn't like winning games?
Oh hell yeah! Like right, actually that game show we was on was Zacia. I used I used that gift card recently to buy to buy me this little Bluetooth thing. Oh shit.
Yeah, I bought the. Oh wait, there it goes.
I needed it so I could play games wirelessly. So because I use this and these micro USBs. People probably know the pain of this. After a while of using micro USBs, those little 2 prongs, they get stuck inside the damn thing.
Right. Yeah.
This is why I'm glad that Type C USBs exist. So, like, so my USB was going through that shit. So I was like, okay, I need to get something so I can play this thing wirelessly. So I ordered that, and stupidly, but I didn't. Well, this kind of says something about me, right? I ordered 6-pack of these. On Amazon because I can't find them in any store. And if you're wondering what these are, anybody that's seen my stream a couple weeks ago, I was talking about these. These are fried pork skins. I bought a 6-pack of them, so I literally got like 4 packs of fucking fried pork skins over to my side over here.
And you couldn't feed me? You didn't tell me there was food on the channel. Listen, I'm here. I'm over here eating the gum.
Yeah, you got gum.
Here. I'm eating the gum, and you're like, hey, I had pork rinds the whole time.
I mean, you got gum. You should be fine.
It's used gum. It's delicious. Look, I eat the dirt off the floor.
See? I don't eat dirt or use gum.
Look, I'm gonna fight QB's Roomba one day.
Okay, you gotta talk about the lore of that.
What, the Roomba thing?
Yeah.
Okay, what do Roombas do?
Vacuum, essentially?
Yes, they eat the delicious floor food on the ground. Slimes are essentially fantasy Roombas.
Well, I feel like the floor would be sticky after that.
I mean, if I'm careful, I don't leave a trail. If I'm careful.
So you gotta be an Assassin's Creed version of a Roomba?
Why do you think I wear shoes? I wear shoes to, like, not leave a mess behind. As bad.
Okay, so what part of you do you use to suck up the stuff off the floor?
I just, like, get really low to the floor and stick up my tongue like this. And I just dig in.
Okay, so how would the shoes protect the floor from you doing that?
All right, listen. I'm just saying, I wear the shoes so when I walk around, I don't trail.
Okay.
What kind of trail my tongue leaves is a whole different story.
Yeah, that's the part I'm concerned about.
Well, see, we just don't think about it.
Your anniversary. Do you see yourself doing 3D at some point?
See, here's the thing. I have a 3D model, but
yeah,
it doesn't have the wings, and it's not the same outfit, so I don't use it.
So are you go? Oh yeah, go ahead.
However, I do have a new model in the works that's another 2D. It's basically the same thing, just with like updated stuff. Like,
right.
I'm gonna have like unsymmetrical wings if we can do that. Because like if you notice, the patterns on my wings are symmetrical.
Actually, I never realized that.
And then And then I'm also gonna have a tail because a lot of people forget I am a dragon.
And it like
You
I
just
look
see the
back there.
slime.
Yeah, and it like I look back there a lot, so I wouldn't know about the tail.
So yeah, I'm gonna add a tail just so people know, like, have one more dragon feature. Like, guys, I'm a dragon. You know how many people say you're a dragon? Yes.
It's
I'm
like, what are the
mostly
wings?
slime. My wings and my horn. I have 3 horns.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
The people say that is a goatee.
Oh my god, the amount of people who are like, wait a minute. That's a horn and not a goatee. Yes, it is a horn on my chin. I am a
Like you wasn't trying to be a jazz man with the
No.
goatee. all you need is those round glasses I got, and immediately you would be like a jazz man. You already got the beret.
I mean, I've heard I look like the Boston Paperboy.
I was around for that actually.
And oh yeah, and another dragon feature. I have sharp teeth. Look.
Yeah, you do. Actually, I've been meaning to ask, what is that badge on your collar?
Oh, that's just a little slime drop.
Okay.
Pin. It's just a pin. It's a slime drop.
Thought you-
Yeah, it's got a little smiley face.
Actually, I can never see that.
Yeah, it's got a little smiley face. You know what else people don't notice? Let me get really close up here. I'm gonna zoom in a little. I'm gonna zoom in. Sorry. Let me.
Go for it.
I have freckles.
Yeah, because like when you're like smaller, it's kind of hard to see.
Ooh, gum. But also to go with the new model, I'm gonna have eyes.
Oh lord.
You're gonna
So-
be, like, if I move just right, you're gonna see eyes.
So what, you gonna do the Kanker Lee? No, not Kanker, the Lee Kanker thing?
Yes. And I'm gonna have. Let me shrink down just a little more. I'm gonna have dragon eyes.
Oh, okay. I can see that.
And I'm gonna have a new it's gonna be generally this outfit, but I'm gonna have a secondary outfit that's a maid dress.
I was about to ask you about that. Since you had that
alright.
redeem and whatnot.
Look, somebody in my Discord was like, hey, you should wear this. And I was like, all right, fine, whatever. And I added it, so now I can wear it. Now I'm gonna have a real one with my new one. I'm also gonna have 2 other forms. I'm gonna
Right.
have a rigged model of slime in a jar, so I don't have to like have me inside a jar. No, you're gonna see a jar with slime in it, and the slime will be moving around for the rigging.
Gotcha.
And I'm gonna have a blob form.
Oh. Oh,
So
you're probably gonna get. Well, then again, he already a footstool. I was gonna say you're probably gonna get stepped on a lot in that form.
oh, I hope so.
All right. Do you see yourself doing any more type of content from just streaming? Like, I don't know, like YouTube videos or some type of like somehow like some type of like maybe like what Poca does every now and again with her IRL streams or videos.
Nah, I doubt it. But one of my followers, Nasir, made a TikTok where he's gonna upload my clips. Like, I'm gonna have the TikTok videos up, but like it's just clips, and somebody else is gonna be uploading them. So what you see on TikTok involving me, I have control over.
Oh boy. Funny enough, I think Hololive started doing like TikToks now, like some of the members.
Nice.
I think Gura, like I think a lot of the English girls have them now. On my back.
Now, I'll be honest, I told myself if I didn't get anywhere by the time I hit my 1 year, I was just gonna quit VTubing. But I mean, fuck, you were at the start. You were there at the start. You've seen how much my channel has grown.
It blew up.
I'm gonna be going, yeah. Like, it took me 4 months to hit affiliate,
Oh yeah.
but I think my channel is steadily growing, and it's like I can do this for at least 1 more year. I don't know if I'm gonna retire after 1 more year.
Hell, I just say just hold on to it. Like you ain't gotta keep doing it every now and again. Like John trying it if you have to.
Yeah, no, I actually do want to take a week break coming up soon because of some family stuff going on.
Yeah.
But like I will not take longer than a week break. Like I enjoy streaming for people. It's fun. My chat gets hyped when I'm about to start, so it's like, yeah. And you know, I just want to say this. VTubing is not for everybody. It's like I'm the upbeat guy, but I'm just gonna tell you guys now, like, it is mentally taxing to VTube.
Oh yeah, you gotta be 100.
Yeah, people just see, like, your viewers just see your stream. They don't know what goes on outside the stream. You do work when you're not streaming as well, and people don't understand that.
Oh yeah.
I've watched so many VTubers stream once, maybe up to 3 times, and then just give it up completely.
You know, it's funny because I was just saying that that's just streaming as a whole.
Mm-hmm.
Like, honestly, like, just being like a content provider or on the internet, because like, people have think like either they're gonna blow up immediately because they're doing this niche thing, or I say niche, but whatever is popular at the time, right? Like remember, like, I'll say back around 2014, 15, that era where everybody wanted to be a fucking prankster, like that shit.
Yeah.
Like that, or even before that, everybody want to be a Let's Player or what. You know, like, people always try to capitalize, or I say capitalize, but always try to, like, jump into the trend without realizing why the trend is there in the first place. And it's like, yeah, what you said with being like, people don't know what goes on outside your streams. Like, I know I talk about some things that might happen outside of me streaming, like, because I'm just being transparent. I'm just being open with people a little bit. But
Yeah.
it is like, yeah, people really don't know. Like I ain't saying like tell everybody you're an open book, but it is like, yeah, some things people, like, a lot of time people don't talk about what goes on behind like, yeah, when the camera's off. Like, you know, people want to separate that. Like, my life isn't my content, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I understand that. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more gum over here.
anyway, so is this when you're taking your week hiatus right now, or you still got like a plan?
Oh no, that's not gonna be until like around the 9th. So in about a week, I'll be taking a week off.
Okay, that's what, because I know you've been talking. I know you mentioned that earlier. I kind of brain farted if you said it or not.
Yeah, no. I'll off stream, since, you know, I actually fucking know you. I'll explain it off stream. It's not something I want to say on stream.
Right. Nah, I get it. But yeah, I want to end this video here. I want to thank my guest Remy here for stopping by for the past 2 hours.
I had fun.
Indeedly. I'm definitely probably gonna do this again at some point. But
Yeah, totally.
if you want to plug your stuff, go ahead.
I am Remy the Slime Dragon, half slime, half dragon. You can find me at twitch.tv/theslimeisadragon. My Twitter tag is Remy_slime. And, well, I'm a lover of puns. And the gum underneath this table, which, let me...
And on that note, it was nice, blah. But it's like, God damn it, the gum thing got me fucked up. I hate the feeling.
Not sorry.
And on that note, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for listening.
Bye.
And as I always say, stay chillin', my fiends. Peace.